This washer was making some really weird noises when it was trying to fill up. I was like, that thing costs a lot of money and that's not cool. So the first thing I did is I pulled out this tray and then located these 5 holes where the screws were. I used a screwdriver thingy, took those out, pulled this plate forward. Put this dolly there just to keep that from tipping forward. 3 more screws, and then took off the tub, located the connection to the back there, and there's the part right there with those 4 plugs. Took those 4 plugs off. And to the screws off the back hose connectors. Before I go any further, make sure the part matches up. Each of those has a clamp. I was able to use the pliers first and then just wiggle those hoses off. I think there was 4 of them. And then just reconnected everything. That was it. Easy. I did this in 30 minutes and saved $200. Now I can buy some kombucha and get my nails done.